you want to think about your learning type. These are 4 classic learning types. It's not all of them. Let's take a quick look at these ones. Supervised learning first. And some jargon even before the jargon. The examples that we're going to learn from are in the rows, and we call them in machine learning instances. Here we have 4 instances. What are the features in these data that I have given you? Can anyone tell me? All I have given you is the information about what color the pixels are. Pixel this one, here's its red, green, blue. Pixel next one next to it, here's its red, green, blue, and so forth. So this is a very short, very fat matrix. 4 rows, lots and lots of columns, all about those colorings. And you're going to be my machine learning system now, and we're going to do a bit of transfer learning. If this was the only visual information you have ever received in your life, you would not be able to succeed on a matrix shaped 4 by too many. But because you already have a trained vision model in you, it only takes a small adjustment for you to be able to perform my task. So, cat, not cat, not cat, cat, and please learn to classify this one for me, please. Not cat. If you said anything other than not cat, you will fail my testing, and I'm going to go with a different system. So again, supervised learning is where, for every example I give the system, I have the correct answer handy.